If you are looking for a great tea kettle in a nice color, you will absolutely love this one. This one is 3 quarts, which I like, perfect amount. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna just open that up, put your water in, and then let it boil. And then once it does, you'll see steam start to come out. Then you'll know your water is ready. And then you simply just push this button and pull up just like that. Then you could dump it out. Super easy to clean. Really like that it's easy to use as well. I just really like this a lot. So if you're in the market for a great tea kettle, definitely check this one out.